Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today, or tonight I should say, I am filming at night time because you might know or you might not know, I've just had a baby a month ago, and during the daytime he is taking up all my time, as it should be. However, Daddy is home from work and he has taken him just so I can get a couple of unboxings done and film some content for my channel. So hi, good evening, how are you? Today I've got an unboxing from Beauty Expert. Now, oh, this is heavy. This was sent to me, this was gifted to me by Beauty Expert, which is very lovely of them. And yeah, it's a limited edition. It's very exciting, and it is the Restorative edition, and it's the Beauty Expert collection, the Restorative edition. It is £69, which sounds a lot, but it is worth £195. And it comes like this. It's like sort of a powder blue leatherette bag. The reason this isn't in its box that it came in is because I wasn't expecting to get this, and I had this parcel arrive and I undid it and I was like, what is it? So I have unzipped it, and then I was like, what? And I emailed the lady who I speak to at Beauty Expert, and she was like, sorry, I forgot to send you an email to say that you were getting this. So I haven't looked inside other than just doing this, but I want to because it's very heavy and I'm very excited. So yeah, £69. I'll leave a link down below for you guys, but it's worth £195. And it says, we've got this little booklet. Something in here smells amazing. So it says, the definition of indulgence. This is a note from the editor. As autumn approaches, it's time to embrace the crisper weather and look forward to warm, cosy evenings. What better time than to start or build on your existing your self-care routine by opting for luxurious products such as the ones included in the Restorative edition. This will help you to unwind, de-stress and relax. If you know someone that deserves a treat, you can ensure that they'll be delighted to receive this indulgent collection. Okay, so I will just pull things out and then I'll tell you about them as it says on here, and it also says it all on their website as well. So the first thing I'm getting is the Jurlique Nourishing Cleansing Oil with black elderflower. Don't think it's gonna, oh no, it's gonna focus. I've never heard of this brand before. That is a big bottle. This is worth £25. It's 200 mils. Put a tiny bit on my hand. Do I need to turn this? See what it smells like. Oh, it smells, I wouldn't know that was elderflower. Oh, that smells lovely. That smells really good. I'm just gonna wipe it on my trousers. Let's have a look and see what it says about this. Okay, harnessing the qualities of natural extracts such as blackcurrant seed oil, elderflower extract and safflower oil. Nourishing facial oil hydrates and softens the skin whilst also removing makeup. On contact with water, it turns into a rich cleansing milk, and it will remove all impurities, excess oils, waterproof mascara. Smoothing black elderflower extract helps soften, smooth and brighten your skin. And it's got birch, calendula, spilanthes. I'm just hoping I'm saying these right. Rosemary, yarrow, lemon balm and licorice. Free from parabens, PEGs and mineral oil, and uses no artificial colour or fragrance. That's £25. The next thing is Molton Brown. It's coastal cypress and sea fennel bath and shower gel. Oh, this sounds lovely. Oh my god, that smells amazing. That smells quite masculine, but in a really nice way. And again, that's a big bottle. What is in that? It smells like something that is in a boy's shower gel. How much was this? £22. That's 300 ml. Indulge in the sumptuous blend of Australian sea fennel with salted cypress with this bath and shower gel from Molton Brown. Taking inspiration from lapping waves and the ocean breeze, this nourishing and moisturising shower gel effectively cleanses dirt while refreshing and invigorating from top to toe. So that is very nice. I'm going to have to hide this from Ben because he will steal that. So it says top notes of fig leaves, cardamom and bergamot, a heart of marine notes, jasmine and violet leaf, and a base of salted cypress, cedarwood and musks. So yeah, it smells lovely. It smells really, really nice. What is next? This is a Balance Me product. This is Natural Skincare Hylauronic Plumping Primer. My skin doesn't tend to like stuff from Balance Me, so this will be going in a giveaway. I don't want to open it and then have it not, my skin not like it doesn't like most of the things, and then this will just be wasted. So I will not open this, but I'll tell you about it. So this is, where are you on there? I'm just reading off their website. This is £26. I will just open the box just to show you. I'm not going to open the primer. That. And I know lots of people use the Balance Me primers and absolutely love them, but for some reason my skin doesn't. Same as the brand, is it Ormovitska? Ormovitska? Probably saying that wrong. Camera. Got glitter on my face. I was a bloody mermaid unicorn yesterday and it does not want to come off my face. It was the girl's birthday party. I wasn't just dressing up as a mermaid unicorn. So this is the Hyaluronic Plumping Primer. Create a smooth and hydrated complexion with this plumping and hydrating primer infused with acacia gum complex to plump the skin and hyaluronic acid to create a protective and hydrating shield. This innovative formula creates a hydrated yet mattified finish. So it sounds really nice. I wouldn't also use it because it's matte and I like a dewy, I don't wear foundation or anything, but I like to put dewy stuff on my face, like the Pixie Glow stuff. I love that. The Tarte Brighter Days moisturizer, anything that's glowy and dewy and glittery, that's me. I don't like anything matte just because I'm old as balls. Next up is Juice Beauty. I've never heard of these. The Organic Solution Stem Cellular Anti-Wrinkle Moisturizer. Oh, I need some of that. Ooh, never heard of this brand. This is 70 quid. A what? £70. I think, what was that? I thought that was like a little spatula or something. Ooh. Oh, it's a fancy one. It's one of the ones that you like press. Ooh. Go on camera. Look at that little blob of goodness. I don't want to waste it. I'm gonna drop everything. So, oh my god, that smells amazing. Just put it all over my whole face. Oh my god. Oh, that smells so good. I can't even place what it smells like, but it smells amazing. Right, where are you? So moisturise the skin with this blend of fruit stem cells and vitamin C infused formula that helps reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, radically transforming the chemistry of beauty. Juice Beauty utilises high potency and certified organic ingredients to create effective formulas that deliver impactful results. Enriched with resveratrol. I'm going to put it on the screen, I've said that wrong. Rich grape formulas that protects the complexion from free radicals. A daily use of this moisturiser can help improve skin tone and luminosity. Apply generously to face, neck and décolleté. I've not said that right either. Wow, I'm very excited about that. It smells so good. Sorry, my phone just went off. It's naughty. What's next? Oh, this is a big one. That's what she said. Knob. This is NEOM. NEOM. Organics London. Feel refreshed. Oh, it's a candle. Oh! £32. Wow. £32 for a candle. That's like more expensive than Yankee Candle. Crumbs. Ooh. Ooh, I'm not sure. What do you smell of? It's just a white sort of ivory candle in a glass thing. I'm not sure if I like the smell of that. I want to have a look and see what that smells of before I ruin the box, because that might end up going in a giveaway. Let's have a look and see what it says about that. Experience pure natural energy with this invigorating candle enriched with a potent blend of Sicilian lemon and fresh basil. This candle encourages an increase in energy levels and clear thinking. Quite need that with the sleepless nights with a baby. With a burn time of 35 hours, this candle can give you an added boost, helping you to feel more alert and energized. Utilising 100% natural fragrances for the mind and body, this candle is a step towards achieving contentment and comfort. Well, didn't know candles could do that, but that's exciting. I'm not sure about the smell of this. For me personally, it's not a horrible smell by any stretch of the imagination. It's just not something that I like. I hate the smell of rose and loads of people love it, so it's not like it's a horrible smell. It's just not to my personal taste. So this may well be going in a giveaway with this. I'll smell it again when I've not got this amazing moisturizer smell on my hands. Okay, and the last item is an ESPA or ESPA Natural Beauty Inner Calm Hydrating Floral Spafresh Spritzer Aromatic Toner to refresh and soothe. Never heard of this brand either. You gonna focus on that camera? There we go. Good job, camera. You can stay. This is £20. Let's have a little look in here. Ooh, just dropping it all. Hydrating toner enriched with essential oils and flower waters to refresh and comfort skin. Flower waters scares me because that might be rose. Let's see. Refresh and revitalise the complexion with this delicately scented hydrating toner enriched with essential oils and flower waters. Take a moment to de-stress by lightly spritzing this toner, taking time to deeply inhale the spa-like fragrance. Either use as part of your skincare routine or in a handbag essential. Apply to dry cotton wool over after cleansing and sweep over the face. Apply throughout the day for an instantly hydrating mist, even over makeup. I'm not going to spray. I'm going to spray it on my hand first, just to see if it is rose. Oh, it's a nice spritz though. I don't know, I don't think it is. If it is rose, it's not an in-your-face rose. Oh, it's a really nice mist. Can you see how? Oh, I love a fine mist. Yeah, that's nice. Oh, I like it. I like it like that. Okay. And then you obviously get the bag as well, which I've got a lot of makeup bags. So I will be putting these ones in here for a giveaway at some point in the future. But yeah, that was the Restorative edition from the Beauty Expert. I will put all the links down below for you guys. So if you've got anybody that you think might like it, I mean, it'd be a really nice Christmas present for like your mum or your nan or your sister or your dad, whoever likes skincare and stuff. I mean, I'd like to get, I mean, I did like getting it, to be honest. Yeah, or treat yourself. You deserve it. You know you do. You deserve it. Yeah. If you like these kind of videos, please do give this one a great big fat thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all very, very soon. Bye, guys.